Ooh, that's good coffee. All right, so it's Tuesday morning. It's really quiet at work, so I'm gonna take advantage of this time and work on my Unreal Engine lessons. I'm still on the characters and animation section, which I'm so over, like I'm so ready to be done with it. So I'm still gonna do my work over there, but it's fine. But I'm hoping to get done with it this week because I'm like ready to move on. So hopefully everything goes smooth. We shall see. So it is Tuesday night now, and it's almost, 11 o'clock. I'm so tired, and I got a headache. But remember this morning, I was talking about how work was light. I was gonna get all this stuff done with my Unreal Engine lessons. Well, that did not happen. I spent most of the day troubleshooting. I started to do the lessons, and I ran into an issue with the control rig, and I wanted to use Nwiro, which is the MCP, plugin for Claude, to help me troubleshoot it, but that wasn't working. So I had to troubleshoot that first, then it got working, and then I used that to troubleshoot my control rig issue, which after a couple hours of that, it finally got working, and I still had to work on it a little bit after I put the baby down to sleep. So I'm tired, but the good news is I'm in a place where I hopefully can continue on and actually do the lessons tomorrow. What a waste of a free day. But one thought I did have about, using the AI to help me with the lessons where I got caught up was, I was like, is this cheating? Am I really learning because I'm using the AI? And I don't think so, because I probably will still be stuck on the lesson trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Because I feel like the AI not only fixed it, but I was asking it what the issue was, right? So it was telling me what the issues were. So I was still learning. So I think, I'm all for it. It's like having an assistant and an instructor at my will. I think moving forward, I'm going to be using the plugin for Claude more as I go through these lessons. Yeah, because it is helpful. So I'll pick this back up tomorrow. I think I might be able to get through the lessons, this section this week. We'll see. Oh, actually, I just thought about something. I didn't write this down. Let me write these down. There's 3 things that I want to get to. This is what's motivating to also get this done, because I don't want to have my little side quests until I finish these lessons this week. Unreal Engine 5.8 came out, and it's got an MCP server in it now, so I want to install that and start messing with that. Tripo AI, I mess with that within the Nwiro plugin, but I want to actually use their whole suite of tools, especially the image to 3D feature. And the last thing is I'm starting this high protein diet, right? And I just Googled real quick if there's an MCP for Instacart, so it could build my grocery list without me having to do it manually. There is, so that's the other thing I want to get to hopefully this week. But like I said, I wanted to finish my lessons first. Those are like treats. So yeah, I'm gonna shut it down now. I'm tired, my brain is dead, and I'm ready to call it a night. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, quick update. It's Tuesday, I'm working through the lessons and it's going really well. I'm making really good progress. Of course, I'm using Nwiro/Claude to help me through, but I think I may be able to get through this section this week. Yay! So we'll see. I am done with this section. It's Friday, so I made it before the weekend, which is good. But I'm just glad it's over. So I get to play with my toys now, yay! So I'm gonna mess with those tools I mentioned earlier, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, this section was good. I learned a lot. I'm just ready to move on. So I will catch you guys next week.